Oh, there he is. What's up,
Yo, what's
Tyler?
up? How's it going?
How's it going?
Good,
Yeah,
man.
I'm doing well. Yeah, I just had a class, got this delivery in, wanted to do a quick unboxing.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna respond to this text message and then we'll get into it.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Sweet. Yeah. So yeah, for everybody watching, yeah, Tyler does have a majestic beard. That is facts.
Thanks, yes.
What's up, Joe? Bird Dog Beard Review. So I got some things from Woolly Wizard that I ordered during the episode of Beard Oil Roulette that I was on. Was it last week? Week before? All the days are blending
Last week?
together. I've been so last
I
week,
think
yeah,
it was
right.
last week. Yeah.
Yep. And then tonight we got Walter's Prime. That's gonna be a fun one. I'll be definitely in the chat
man.
for that.
I'm
hanging out.
pumped.
Yeah. Yeah, Walt's one of the guys that I talk to the most on Instagram. Like, Tyler, can you please block McMahon from tonight's stream? Jay Cruz, the cyberbully.
He loves it. It's awesome.
Every time. Man, oh man. All right, let's crack into
Hey,
what we
what's
got
up,
here.
Joe? How's it going, man?
Ooh, hold up.
Respectfully, of course. Respectfully.
That's a custom profile. Hold up. Ooh,
So
okay.
that one is only custom because I don't have that out in the butter yet, but you had mentioned you wanted butter. So I had done up a couple for myself and for you.
Okay.
So that's the match to the rest of them.
Nice. Epic.
Yeah.
We got a few things in here. Let's
Yo,
go.
what's up, Matt?
Yo, Spirit, what's up? Ooh. Stealth packaging.
Yeah. Can't even
That's
see
awesome.
it.
Yep.
I actually just ordered mailers, so I've got mailers on the way,
Cool.
but I
That's
did
great.
not have any for you. Sorry.
All good. Ooh, baby. There's
are
caramel
that-
pipe tobacco.
Oh yeah, are those V drums in the background?
Oh, those what?
Are those drums
No, it's-
in the background?
No, it's my microphone and
Oh,
tripods.
that's your microphone. Oh, it looks
Yeah.
like a drum pad, like a V drum.
Yeah,
And
no,
I was like,
it's got
okay.
this like the spit filter kind of thing
There it
on
is.
it.
Yeah. Okay.
What's up, Woodbridge? Yeah. But yeah. What's up, Sasquatch?
Pork roll and
Ooh.
pineapple.
Mysterious oil. That's exciting.
You gotta smell that.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We'll get into smelling these in a second once we get them all out. Yeah, don't even worry about that. Ooh, epic patch. That's nice. Super, super dope. This is my favorite thing about small batch companies is the Corey trolling the Canadians. Handwritten notes from owners. I love that. That's awesome.
I missed his comment. What did he say?
When a Canadian says out, it's like they're saying out and out at the same time.
Totally.
Oh, and then there's the caramel pipe tobacco. So let's check the smell on this one first.
That's right. You control the Canadians. There's not that many of us.
Oh. We just don't support bullying, respectfully. Yeah, that's a good smell. Yep. That was like a quad sniff, too.
Awesome.
I like that a lot. That's a good one. What's up, Mike? Carmen Dritha. Alright, and then what is this custom profile? Let me try and pick it out and then
Oh, you'll already know.
Smells woodsy.
Nope.
No.
You'll have to get it in, Beard.
Yeah. It's like
What's up, Waltimus?
I'm stumped. what's the profile?
That's the caramel pipe tobacco, but in the butter. The whipped butter.
Oh, nice. Cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
But that one I
Sick.
don't have. No one else has that. You're the only one.
Ooh, only one. Look at that. That's awesome. Sick. That's dope. That'll be cool for the review. Test out the oil, the butter, and the balm.
Yeah, I figured throw you the match.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, thanks for doing that. That's really cool.
Yeah, no worries, man.
And we'll dig into this. It's crazy. The number of oils that I've opened, I always struggle with this, the plastic sealant.
You gotta find that perforated edge and then just peel it down.
There it is. Yep, got it.
Hey,
wow,
what's up, Bearded Beanie?
Leaving already. Get out of here. Beanie, don't be aggressive. Caramel pipe tobacco sounds amazing. Yeah, it's definitely nice. Bring your turtle with you. Sheldon's always around. All right. What is this? Mystery oil. I've never seen a bottle in this size. That's cool.
So I got 1/2 ounce testers for when I'm testing them out. So because like when I'm testing something, I'm not going through a full ounce of it. Like
yeah, 100%. Yeah, I have 18 bottles that I made, and I've hardly used any of them. Just
exactly. Like yeah, you're gonna have to warm that up though.
Okay, all right.
It's a weird one.
2, 3 drops, just like Swag does. He's living his best life. Nice. Whoa.
You're like, what is that?
Yeah, I'm trying to think. I'm like, is there apple in there?
No apple. I'll give you one hint. There is tobacco in that.
Okay, yep. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm stumped.
It's weird, right?
Yeah, it's nice.
So that's gonna be a newer one that's coming out soon. I'm just tweaking it, but that was from our beard oil roulette.
Oh, nice.
So that one was pipe tobacco, Dr. Pepper, Nag Champa, and Edenwood.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, it's a weird one, but
but I like it. It's weird, but I like it. Yeah, I'm into it.
Yeah, I know. I was pumped on it. I can't stop wearing that. As soon as I made it, I'm like, man, this is good. So I'm just making a couple tweaks to it, and then then that one's gonna be released. But
that's killer.
You get to enjoy that for a bit.
That's amazing.
I was like, someone else needs to smell this too, other than Oz. Oz is the one who won that.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's up, Dagan? Thanks for coming in. That's.
Hey, what's up, Tanya?
Yeah, I like that a lot. That's gonna be a hit. I think I like that. I'm into that.
Yeah, it's cool. It's that Nag Champa just adds a little bit of spice.
Yeah. That's what I was noticing that it's kind of sweet, but also with a bit of spice to it. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, what you put that in, right? So as the day goes on, it's gonna change. Okay.
Yeah. I just did a little bit, and I already have another scent in, but we'll I'll mix it. Very intrigued to smell that. Yeah, 100%. And John's out in the UK, I believe.
Oh, awesome.
One of my UK homies.
What time is it in the UK? It's 11 o'clock here. What time would it be in the UK? It's got to be like night.
I think that it's like 4 or 5. I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because they're 5 hours ahead. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's like 4 o'clock. That sounds like a super unique scent. 100%. Yeah, and then the ingredients and the oil for anybody that wants to know: jojoba, argan, grapeseed, almond oil, hemp seed. Nice. Castor oil and fragrance and essential oils. That's a 1 ounce oil. 3 p.m. Cool. Yeah, I can't wait to put this in beard. This is gonna be killer.
You'll dig it for sure.
Yeah.
If you like the tobacco scents, for sure.
Oh, 100%. I most definitely do. Yeah. Epic patch as well. Yeah, it's kind of just wanted to get in here, do a quick unboxing. What's up, Chad? If you guys have any questions or anything you want to ask Tyler, we can hang out for another couple minutes, and then I need to have a snack and prep for my test that I haven't done any prep for because I've been so busy lately.